Welcome to the conclusion of our video course on the basics of personal finance, budgeting, saving, investing, and managing debt. We've covered a lot of information over the course of this program, and we hope that you have a better understanding of how to take control of your finances and reach your financial goals. Overview of what we covered. Throughout this course, we covered a wide range of topics, including Introduction to personal finance and budgeting, setting financial goals and prioritizing spending, creating and managing a budget, building an emergency fund, understanding credit and managing debt, investing basics and choosing the right investments, maximizing income and reducing expenses, retirement planning and saving, tax planning and maximizing deductions, managing finances as a couple or family, importance of consistency and patience. Managing your finances is an ongoing process that requires consistency and patience. It's important to review and adjust your financial plan regularly to ensure that it's still in line with your goals and circumstances. Conclusion: we hope that this course has helped you to better understand the basics of personal finance, budgeting, saving, investing, and managing debt. Remember, managing your finances is an ongoing process that requires consistency and patience. By following the principles and strategies outlined in this course, you can take control of your finances and reach your financial goals. Thank you for taking this course, and we wish you all the best in your financial journey.